Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another video, right? Today we have a review of a new clipper. First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So today we have a review of a new clipper from a company called My Blades. Shout out to My Blade. Shout out to Craig the Barber for shooting this over to me. This is a Tensor One from My Blades. This is an updated clipper in the sense of having the AI technology, and the AI technology is the ramping up and down of the motor to go through thicker hair and stuff like that, like a vector motor, a little bit different, smoother as far as, but we'll get into that in a second, right? This clipper is $289 on their website. In this box, you do get the clipper, and they do have this in white and black. They asked me which color I wanted. I wanted the white one because everything else that I've been using have been black. So they do get the charging stand here. You also get their guards, which are kind of like the Wahl guards. If y'all been following me, y'all know I like the Wahl guards. They do got a little longer feeding. The tips a little bit longer on some of them though. It's not like that on all of them though. Like if you take the 2 guard, the Wahl guard is a little bit, but either way, I do like the guards. They're like in between the premium of like Babyliss or Stylecraft or something like that, and then the in between the Wahl. So I have been using, when I do my unboxings or if I do my reviews, I do try the guards. I do most of the time go back to just using Wahl guards. That's just what I'm used to. They feel better. That's just what I like. These have been some of the closest ones to the guard blades, the Wahl blades, the Wahl guards, but I still eventually have been going back to having the Wahl guards. But anyway, this is 26,000 SPM, right? You got 2.5 hours of runtime depending on the usage. So I'm guessing that's with the ramping up. If it's taking more power to go through something for a longer period of time, you might get less than that 2.5 hours. But so far, I haven't had a problem with the runtime on my end, right? But we'll get into everything. Like I said, 2.5 hours of runtime with 2.5 hours of charge time, right? It got the DLC, the fusion blade. Trying to make sure I got everything. But anyway, 26,000 SPM, the AI powered motor. This is the clipper, and it don't come with a lot in the box. So that's why I'm like, we're gonna go straight into it. It does have the charging port down here at the bottom and the USB-C on the back. Their fusion blade, all black, 5-click on the side. Nice, like it does have some like grip feel on this. It is plastic, but it does have some nice grip on it. Like it's not noticeable standout like seeing it, but when you hold it, it got some nice texture on it for the holding. Rubber and thumbprint back here, or a fingerprint there, thumbprint here. All right, power button. The sound. Not loud at all. When I first pulled it out the box and started using it after I got it charged up and all that, it did get a little warm in the beginning, but I haven't had no problems with it after that. All right. This is the body style. The one thing with the body style, it is a shorter clipper, but it's also thin, right? Which is not bad, but because I like the smaller clippers, right? Like I love the shorty from Gamma, right? It's short, it's nice, but it's bulky. So in my hand, it feels nice. This in hand, not that it was like a learning curve or anything like that, but I did have to get used to that slim body in the hand. Now on a trimmer, it's not as bad because you're just, you're lining up, you're going against. But when you're doing a full cut, for me, this is just my personal opinion, my personal preference. I wouldn't have mind a little bit thicker body, a little thick, right? But all in all, cool. Again, this is $289 on their website, AI powered. It does come with a booklet that does explain some things about the clipper, right? And most of us don't read the booklets that come with it, right? But it was talking about the AI and all that. So I wanted to see if in the booklet, it actually explained how the AI worked. But there wasn't nothing. Now, I don't know if he has they have videos on their Instagram about it or in like how the technology actually worked. But it wouldn't have been bad to have a little read on the actual AI of the product, right? It don't come with a charging block, right? So it has a charging dock, but it also comes with another cord for the USB, right? At $289, maybe a charging block wouldn't be, too much to add in there. Also, if y'all could see the click lever, right? The lever here, it was a little flimsy out the box. Not flimsy, but it seems like it didn't connect into the clicks as much. So going to tighten it, most clippers use a regular, you just use a screwdriver, right? At $289, that's another thing I wouldn't have mind to add. If you're gonna have a different screw in here for the click lever or for the lever at all, having a small little Allen wrench in there wouldn't have been a bad addition as well. Now, it's not hard to find one. I have plenty of them, but having that in there wouldn't have been a bad touch as well, right? All that being said, how does it work? Cutting through her, let's talk with the fading first. Using this to fade has been a very smooth, everything has been nice. Again, when I first got out the box, I couldn't get those lines out, so I did have to gap it just a little bit to get that blade a little closer, right? I don't even know if y'all can see, but you had to get the blade a little closer. Fading has been working fine. Like I said, it got warm in the beginning. After that, I had no problems, right? Didn't get hot at all. Again, plastic body, nice grip. Cutting through her, right? When you use the vector motor clippers, some of them do cut through her, all right? Some of them at times kind of stall. So it seems like that in between ramping up, it takes time to actually, like you have to slow down to get that speed to actually start feeding through the hair, right? With this, now I don't know the bottom line RPMs of this, right? With this clipper. And that's why I wish the AI, how it worked, was a little bit more upfront and in their face. And again, I don't know if they have a video on it or not. This has been one of the best clippers in cutting through bulk. There has not been one head that has came in the shop that I was, in the beginning, because you don't know how it's gonna work. So you as a barber, you waiting for somebody with some thick hair, some coarse hair. I'm talking about that, a full gray head of hair, right? Some of it be thick, right? This has been the easiest clipper to go through anything with it doesn't get louder. It doesn't sound like it's struggling. It does, like the power in this has been amazing, right? This has probably been my favorite clipper. So if y'all been following me, y'all know I'll review a clipper, but most of the time I'll stick with the clippers I've been using for a little while. So again, this has been my go-to right now. The Shorty has been my go-to. Fresh off of using this clipper, this has been one of my main clippers I've been using, right? And I've been trying new clippers. I tried the Unknown. I got a new clipper from Stylecraft that just came in. I got some stuff. it's been tough to put this down. I do wish it was a little thicker, just a little bit, but I'm talking about fading, cutting through hair. It has been amazing. That 2.5 hours of runtime, maybe we wish we had a little bit more runtime, but with that AI in there or whatever it is that's helping it cut through hair, fade as smooth as it does, you get 2.5 hours of runtime. It's a lot going on in that clipper to get the finished product that we're looking for. All right. So again, it is $289. Is that price the worst? No, it's not the worst at $289. But if we could, again, I always say this. I don't know what goes in making a clipper. I'm just thinking about it from a person's aspect that will be having to buy that clipper. A lot of new barbers, a lot of barbers that's on budget, you know, will it be something they rush out to? And we all know my question is always, is it worth it? I think this is worth the buy if you can afford it. Is it the best clipper on the market? I don't know. It's the best clipper I've used in a long time. It's the best clipper I've used in a long time. At $289 though, I don't know how many people rush out and buy it. But if you can afford this $289, you have to give it a try. All right. I'm gonna buy me another one because now I want the black one. All right. Shout out to them for sending me this one, but I will be buying me another one because I do want the all black. And you know, you want to have your clippers on hand whenever one dies. At 2 hours, I can have one on a charging dock. And while I'm cutting, I got one charging. All right. But like I said, man, it cuts through anything. I haven't had a problem with it whatsoever. I do wish it had like I said, at $289, having a charging block and a tool for the lever would be nice. But as far as complaints, that's my only thing that I have against it. But yeah, it's been my favorite clipper so far. Again, is it the AI so far versus a vector motor or an AI clipper here? I think it's been smooth. It's very simple. And again, man, if you can afford the $289, grab you one. $220-ish. I don't want to say 180 because I don't want to, you know, take it down too low. But 220, 225, I think this shit is it's a good clipper. It's a good clipper. And that's just my opinion. That's my opinion on the Tensor One from My Blades. Again, shout out to them. Shout out to Craig the Barber for sending this my way. And I'll be ordering me another one because I want the black one. I got a match now. I got to team it up. All right. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we will be back with another review, a tutorial, or something. You gotta grab it. Or not. Again, it's kind of pricey. Peace.